Graph the linear equation y equals negative 2x plus 4, then identify the x-intercept and the y-intercept. There's a few ways we can go about graphing this equation. We could find 2 points and make 2 points make a line. We can graph it that way. Or we can see that it's in y equals mx plus b form. We use our y-intercept and our slope. I'm first going to find our 2 points here, but I'll show you how this all works together when we graph it. Let's go first find some 2 points. I want to pick an x value here. I want to plug it into my equation to find its corresponding y value. So let's say x is equal to 0. We take our equation, y equals a negative 2 times 0 plus 4. Negative 2 times 0 is a 0. Y equals 0 plus 4. And well, 0 plus 4 is a 4. And so we have a point when x is 0, y is a 4 here. Let's go find another point. Let's say when x is equal to 2. All right, so plug it into our equation. We have y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 4. And so y equals negative 2 times 2, negative 4 plus 4. And negative 4 plus 4 is a 0. So we have another point here, 2, 0. We kind of lucked out here that these will be our intercepts. But that's in a minute. All right, now let's make a graph here. I need to put a graph here so we can graph this line. All right, now that we have our graph, let's go plot these 2 points that we know make up this line. We have 0, 4. So when x is 0, y is a 4. We have that first point right here. And the next one is 2, 0. X is 2, y is 0. And 2 points make a line, so we can connect them here. And we got a nice line here. We have our line, y equals a negative 2x plus 4. Now I promised to talk about our slope-intercept form. Our intercept, that plus 4 is where it crosses the y-axis. Got that right here. And our slope is negative 2. We're going down 2 units over 1, down 2 over 1. So we could have graphed it that way instead of plugging in. Now our points help us here because they tell us where to cross our x and y axis. We need to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So our first one here, the x-intercept, where it crosses the x-axis, this occurs here when x is 2 and y is 0, that point right there. Our y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, right here. And that is going to be when x is 0 and y is a positive 4, 0, 4. So we actually found those points here earlier when we identified them, but we can see them on the graph where they exist now on our graph. Again, x-intercept, where it crosses the x-axis, and y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. We now graphed and found our intercepts of y equals negative 2x plus 4.